Find k if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. We know that a solution to a linear equation will satisfy the linear equation. So take up the linear equation given, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Since it's given that it is a solution to this linear equation, it will satisfy the linear equation. So we simply have to substitute the values of x and y and solve to find the value of k. We have a similar question here. When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2 is a solution of this linear equation in two variables x and y, find the value of a. This is a linear equation. See, we have a square here, but that's the coefficient of x. X and y are the variables. X and y are the variables. This is not to be mistaken for a quadratic equation. Here a square is the coefficient of x. So this is going to take up some numerical value. So this is a linear equation in x and y. A square is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of y. This is not to be mistaken for a quadratic equation. Alright, so we have a solution given to this equation and we know that the solution will satisfy the linear equation. Take up the equation. In place of x, use 1 and in place of y, use 2. Simplify this. Here we get a quadratic equation in a. Here we get a quadratic equation in a. Solve this by splitting the middle term. And the values of a are minus 3 and 1. So a can take the value minus 3 or 1. And that's what we had to find. Find the values of a. So a can be minus 3 or a can be 1.